Do you have any cash park stocks you use, and which stocks would be best for this? Quite frankly, I have been buying the dip all the way down for Tesla. And the reason is simple. I scour the earth for low risk, high reward names. And despite the absolute weakness, Tesla down 150. Why? Well, I looked down back at the couch to find any pennies I can put into it for these exact reasons. One, the Tesla math. And this is just either I am insane or there's something missing or the board is lying or whatever. But conservatively, I do believe Tesla can make 20 million cars by the year 2030. All right. They are on track to do about 1.4 million plus or minus a couple of 100,000 in 2022 and 2.3 million in 2023. And actually, data is just out that Giga Berlin is ramping faster than Texas. Okay, they're doing 3,000 cars a week right now, and the ramp is extraordinary. They just hit the 2,000 a week milestone a few weeks ago. So again, they're really ramping up fast, and it's no doubt that Giga Shanghai will be doing, way north of 1 million cars next year. So if you imagine the average car, the average selling price ASP of those 20 million cars in 2030 is 50,000. Remember, the dollar value will go down. So a dollar won't go as far. So assuming just a $50,000 price per vehicle is $1 trillion in revenue. Now remember, no car company can match them on effectiveness and efficiency. Their operating margins and profit will be about 30% or a lot higher. If you weave in, like even that, when you put all the numbers together, like the incentives now in the US to get a Tesla $7,500, that goes straight to the bottom line of Tesla. And they're already making 30% of the car. I mean, the numbers just get mind-blowing real fast. And imagine they're getting $7,500 incentives and they charge $15,000 for FSD. It's more pure margin. What is that, $22,500 on a $50,000 car with 30% margin? I mean, this is why I did a slide a couple of weeks ago about how the net present value of the future cash flows can go to infinity real fast because the numbers are mind-boggling. Not shilling, just data on this channel. Here, again, assuming that operating profit, 30%, takes the $300 billion in profit on $1 trillion in revenue. And the market cap in 2030, assuming a very, very conservative PE ratio of 30, excluding their energy business, their insurance business, their FSD business, the Optimus robot business, the semi-truck business, all that stuff, the share price will go to $2,000. That's a 13.33x from where we are today at $150. That's where I would take the risk and park rather than hold fiat.